Okay, may I have your attention please? This address doesn't have a title. Askana mchida call it nepotism. Ndawa yauti tizivani. Ndima chef but nasa I serve myself to you. Kukupa msoro wangu uri pa silver platter. Anyways, first things first. Ndininyanduri uya. Kwenye aripasa idumti nyanduri uya auya. I don't like being cozy. Msati auya nyanduri. I like being the cause. Tofarika kukonzeresa not usually. Ninge nchenda nenyika but same time ndichuya. And pandouya ndoya nazo. Mazokuda mavanga nyora to you myself I'm a sick poet. Chirwere chacho kupisa mviri. Cremation. Regandire urure something is not right with my head. Nduda ugadzirwa msoro pawanopedza I'll save my poetry with the twist Oliver. Again my Lazarus dreams yedo anga afa. I know sometimes I go quiet msanyea. The art of silence akuzgunyaras na art, so the purpose of my art is to produce gold. Art is now mining naimi ntoro pakutsvaga, so maybe andizinyanduri ndiri private investigator. Not an instigator of violence. I discourage that we beat around the bush. Saka let me just go straight to the point. Kungeloka some Judas. They also tengesera someone is on promotion. Buy one get one for free. Tino the poet is the subject. Streetpoetzim is the exam, and so we wrote. And now we are inviting you to come and make a movie with us. 22 March 2024 we give you Let's Make a Movie. 5 tricks of well-crafted poetry. This is a call to listen as you tell your story through our art. Nyandurwe Mugwagwa, street poet and